salads and sandwiches, market bowls, and your favorite meals, all featuring our signature rotisserie chicken. And starting at $5.
I gotta find your eyes.
You gotta find my eyes.
I found it.
I'm scared. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Found it.
Under the eyebrow, not on top of the eyebrow.
Okay. Okay.
I got a black eye.
Okay.
Why is there a pencil coming at me?
Oh.
Put enough so you can smear it.
Is it under or on top?
On
Oh,
top.
shoot.
Okay. Smear, smear, smear.
You got enough on there?
It's plenty, Thea.
Okay.
You're peeking.
I only have to see to close it. I'm looking down.
How do I close it?
Okay, just close it. What is this?
I don't know.
It's another one.
Of what?
Color.
Of that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, why not?
Oh, Lord jeez. Why not?
What is that?
That's my cheek, honey.
I don't know what that is. No, I don't think that's... Okay, now we need blush. Is this blush?
She can't tell you.
Why?
You're not supposed to have somebody tell you what it is.
Well, no, it's the big one.
The big one.
And then the brush. Okay.
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Then the lipstick.
Oh no. Why is there lipstick involved?
You
Okay,
gotta
get
have
it.
lippy.
Huh?
Gotta have lippy.
Does not have the sticker. Where's the sticker one? I'm feeling. Oh, I will find it. Does this have a sticker on it? Like a price tag? Yeah,
Kinda.
it does.
Can you make sure you actually get my lips
Okay.
with that dark color? I'm scared. No, that's my cheek.
Okay. Stop resisting, Priscilla! Okay, I'm done. Can I see it now?
Kennedy, my lip is not down here, right here, or up here. And I got a bruise right here.
It looks like you're bleeding.
Give her a wipe, honey.
I need a wipey.
Did you take a picture?